Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of 3D printing, a technology that's revolutionizing how we create. We'll be your guide, breaking down the complexities and giving you the inside scoop. Whether you're a seasoned techie or just starting, understanding 3D printing materials is key to unlocking its full potential. We'll explore the essential materials you need to get started and their unique properties. Think of it like choosing the right ingredients for a recipe. It's what makes all the difference. So, without further ado, let's get hands-on and explore the exciting world of 3D printing materials. First up, we have PLA, or polylactic acid, a real crowd pleaser in the 3D printing world. What makes PLA so special? Well, for starters, it's incredibly user-friendly. Imagine it like the easy bake oven of 3D printing filaments. Super simple to work with, even if you're a complete beginner. PLA is known for its smooth, consistent prints. It's like that perfectly iced cake. Flawless and aesthetically pleasing. Plus, it comes in a rainbow of colors, so you can really let your creativity run wild. But wait, there's more! PLA is also biodegradable, made from renewable resources like cornstarch. So you're not just creating awesome stuff, you're doing it with a smaller environmental footprint. Now, PLA might not be the strongest kid on the block, but it's perfect for those decorative prints, prototypes, and anything that doesn't need to withstand a ton of stress. Think cool desk toys, custom phone cases, or even architectural models. Next up we have ABS, or acrylonitrile butadienostyrene. Now this material means business. Think of ABS as the rugged, durable older brother of PLA. It's got that tough exterior, able to take a beating and still come out on top. ABS is known for its strength, impact resistance, and ability to withstand higher temperatures. So if you're printing something functional that needs to hold its own, ABS is your go-to. It's like building with Lego bricks, but on a whole other level. But here's the catch. ABS can be a bit trickier to print with. It requires a heated bed and good ventilation because it can release some fumes when heated. But trust me, the results are worth it. You'll get those rock-solid prints that can handle whatever you throw at them. Now, if you're looking for a material that offers the best of both worlds, the ease of use of PLA and the strength of ABS, then say hello to PTG. This is like the multi-talented friend who can do it all. PTG, or polyethylene terephthalate glycol, is known for its versatility. It's strong, durable, and resistant to both impacts and chemicals. So whether you're printing tools, mechanical parts, or even containers for liquids, PTG can handle it all. And here's the kicker. PTG is relatively easy to print with, even for beginners. It's very forgiving, meaning those minor imperfections won't ruin your print. Plus, it doesn't warp as easily as ABS, making it a joy to work with. Let's talk about flexibility. Imagine printing something that can bend, stretch, and bounce back like a rubber band. That's where TPU comes in. The ultimate material for all things flexible. TPU, or thermoplastic polyurethane, is a game changer for 3D printing. It's like having a magic wand that lets you create objects with incredible elasticity. Think phone cases that can withstand drops, flexible phone grips, or even custom shoe insoles. Now, TPU can be a bit more challenging to print with than PLA or PTG, but the results are well worth the effort. You'll need to adjust your printer settings and use the right techniques, but once you master it, you'll unlock a whole new world of creative possibilities. Last but not least, we have nylon, the industrial powerhouse of the 3D printing world. This material is as tough as nails, known for its exceptional strength, durability, and resistance to wear and tear. Nylon is the go-to choice for applications where strength is paramount. Think gears, hinges, brackets, and even functional prototypes for demanding environments. It can withstand high temperatures, resist chemicals, and handle a lot of stress without breaking a sweat. However, nylon can be the most challenging material to print with on our list. It requires precise temperature control, a heated chamber, and a good understanding of its properties. But for those up for the challenge, nylon offers unparalleled performance and opens up a world of industrial-grade 3D printing. And there you have it, the essential materials for 3D printing and their unique properties. We've covered everything from the beginner-friendly PLA to the industrial-strength nylon. Remember, choosing the right material is crucial for successful 3D printing. It's all about understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each material and matching them to your specific project needs. So whether you're just starting or you're a seasoned pro, there's always something new to learn in the ever-evolving world of 3D printing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights.